What's up friends, today I'll go ahead and give a review about one of the GoPro accessory that I purchased from Amazon, and I'll do the unboxing and you can go ahead and have a complete look about the product. And it's a three-way mount that I have got it for my GoPro. You can use it in three different ways, and it's watched a complete video and will give you the complete details about the product. People you can see here there's a three-way grip, arm and tripod. We go ahead and see if you can able to it right. So the price, it says 6,700 and I paid 6,400 for this GoPro. And here you can see the different way you can use this mount. So let me open this. I hope I'll get a sticker along with this one. Let's see. Alright, here is nicely packed. You can see the GoPro logo here. Product is nice, genuine. So here is a complete stick. You can see here. So this you can use it as a selfie stick, and if you want to make it short, you can just remove the screw. Let me go ahead and show it to you. So it will come out and you can make it more short. You're just making as an arm rest. And just use it as an arm grip. And now I'll show you the tripod stand, what is installed here. It's at the bottom. You can just remove it. You can see here. So you have to remove this cap, right? So it is very handy. You can just put it here. Let's go ahead and style it. That's it. And you get this lock here to install the GoPro, and looks genuine. I'm not sure if you guys have any comment about it. Please comment below.